Alright, now welcome to SE Custom Designs. I realize I haven't done a video this week and my heater's gonna kick on. So we're gonna show you a tool in use. I already started using it. Should you not have a table saw, which don't know if you can see it, it's over there. And there's various types of things you can take care of this, but a table saw would be the most common tool to use. So I'm going to use it, but not before I use this. So this here is a Bora clamp edge. I just looked it up online, and for $50 you can get this unit from boratools.com. I'm not sponsored by Bora Tools, but it has measurements on the top. So this one doesn't. I think I picked this up at Lowe's. Not sponsored by Lowe's either. But there you go. But this is phenomenal. It's a simple edge fence system that you can attach to wood. This is made to go across 4 feet. So a little bit beyond. I think it's at 52 inches or something like this. But it can very comfortably fit across a 4x8, so the 4-foot section for which you're going to go ahead and cut that. Okay, and so I had 2 pieces of plyboard that were lying around over here, and I need to make an extension for my my office desk upstairs, and so this here is going to have a purpose for that. All right, so I already have it glued up, these 2 pieces. As you can see, one is a little bit longer than the other. Plus, it wasn't anywhere near square. Okay, so what I did, as long as you have a square reference point, so what I did is I made sure that this is square. Okay, so I took this and I went across this way and cut it that way, and I just now cut this one here, and all you have to do is take your saw and run along the fence just like this, and there you go. So we're going to demonstrate using this, and this is how easy it is to connect and disconnect. You just lift up this handle here and it sets it free. Okay, now that I know that this and this, these lines here, these edges are square to each other, I have confidence that I can set this unit. And it's as simple as, we look at underneath like this, squeezing this and then just pushing it down. Okay, now this here may need a little bit of oil to it because it doesn't slide as easy as I'd like it to. So you lift this part here, disengage it, and then you're just going to move it down like so. Okay, you're going to put it approximately where it needs to go. I call this a poor man's table saw fence, so it's effective and it does the job, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we take our saw, we get an idea where that blade is going to go. So move it over like so. And I would say it's going to go approximately there. Okay, so now obviously I need to make sure that this is going to be square to this edge. So I just have it set up just like so. So I got a piece of wood in there. All right, I'm going to re-verify that we're good. I'm okay with taking that much off. Now we just slide this the rest of the way, snug up to the edge. Let's see if it's snug. It is. I'm going to re-verify, because you know what happens. Things just move around. Now I tighten it down. I'm I'm going to re-verify. Are you still square? You are. Now it's just a matter of running a saw across. That's it, my friends. Now that I have, let's have a look at the other side of the unit. Again, it's a very simple tool, but very effective. So you can use it for routering as well. So if you've got really long things, you know, pieces of stock you have to router, you definitely can use it for that as well. So now what I can do is, let's turn the camera a little bit here, over toward, oh, you can see the saw. So what I'll do now is take the board over to the table saw, and I can now finish the unit off by putting this edge I have everything on wheels in my wood shop so that I can move it in and out of service. When you have these smaller wood shops, you need that. So I have a lot of my tools are on wheels. This here is the Delta Contractors saw. Now, basically, I have a level of confidence, and rip this for you. Lock in two of my wheels, that should do the job. Okay. Make sure that I'm going to cut off just what I need to cut off. That should do the job. Okay. And it's always good to do a dry run before you do such things. Just move that out of the way. Let's move the camera over a little bit more so you can have a better view. That's fine. Okay, move that. Definitely want ear protection. Okay, move this out of the way. Raise up the blade a little bit. Plug it in. And I'll let this drop down onto the bench. That's it. Now I have this board perfectly squared and ready to go to the next part, which is going to be trimming this off with some oak trim. See if I'm liking it. I'm loving it. Looking good. Square from both edges. Square every way I can look. Pretty good. Looking good there as well. Naturally, this is the where I started from. And there's a little known thing that carpenters do, and that is so you don't lose track of which edge is square. You just put a little square in the corner like this, and now that's my reference point, and that's what I worked off of for this unit. Thanks for watching AC Custom Designs. If you haven't subscribed, and even if you have subscribed, you're eligible to win this for free. You're just going to pay the shipping. It's what we call a chest mate dovetail jig by Prezi USA. I've never used it. I'm not sponsored by Prezi, but I bought it and I never used it because, well, I got a Lee D4 Pro dovetail jig. Configurable tails, pins. Yeah, the tails. That's what this does. It allows you to configure them in an array of different sizes, whatever you choose. So they can be irregular, or they can be, sequential, and that type of thing. So, yep, this could be in your wood shop. I've only have 4 people so far that put in for this. I'll put the link in this video to the announcement for this, and all you have to do is make a comment in there that says I want to enter, and we'll be looking at those comments March 2nd. That's when it ends. So we are what now? We are February the 12th or 13th, something like this. And so there you go. Good luck. Good luck to the folks around the world. So we'll be doing several more giveaways in 2021. So look forward to hearing about that. So our usual goodbye, shalom uvachat, and take care. Remember, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get the notifications. Thank you very much.